Hey everybody, come on over to combustionmotorsports.com for the month of April to save 20% on Memphis audio catalog. Use the promotion code Memphis at checkout for instant saving. Also, I want to talk to you a little bit about a pre-order we're doing on the Memphis Pro Kits, set to be released in the middle of the month. Come on in, I'll show you what it's all about. This is the 5-speaker, 1000-watt ride command integrated system. You get a pair of 6.5-inch clampable cage pods, dash fit OEM speaker pods, as well as replacement tweeters. Underneath the dash on the passenger side, you have an amplified 10-inch subwoofer with an independent subwoofer volume. For the source unit, this just integrates right directly in the ride command for ample amount of volume. And also, as an added bonus, anybody that purchased anything on our website for the month of April will get a chance to win this 35-inch Memphis soundbar valued at $7.99. As a bonus on top of that, anybody that purchases any Memphis audio product on our website will double your entries to win this. Place your order at combustionmotorsports.com or give us a call at 801-674-2451.